2015. Thank you for joining me today for my first video of the series. It's digital electronics. We're going to study binary. I think it's pretty straightforward, but it is fundamental, so we gotta learn it. I made this program to make it pretty easy to pick up on. I'm not going to describe how it works. I think that'd kind of take the fun out of it for you. But I will say that if you wanted to build this physically, each one of these boxes, or each one of these numbers, would be a physical circuit built out of digital logic gates. As shown here, this would be S. You would have to connect them in series, 4 of them, to get each one of these. But this is 2015, so we are not going to worry about that anymore. We are going to do everything digital. We do not need to buy components. Play around with this, please. Alter it, change the colors, make it awesome, improve it somehow, and send it back to me. I'll talk about how awesome it is, and we'll learn from each other. So, one method you do need to understand is 2's complement if we want to subtract instead of add and use the same circuit. We need to alter the incoming signal a little bit. So 1's complement is basically a toggle. Every light that was on turns off. 2's complement just adds one number to that. So toggle plus 1 equals negative instead of positive. Also, it's important to note that there's going to be this carry number sometimes, and that's okay during addition, but during subtraction you always take it out. Don't leave it in there, ignore it. This is just 0. Let's look at the code a little bit. So you see the 4 switches A, B, C, D. Ignore this right now, just the first one. A, B, C, D. Add them together. These are 2 different ways that we handled the switch. I just wanted to show you both ways because case structures do come in handy, but it looks a little bit cleaner if we just convert it from a Boolean number, true or false, 1 or 0, into numeric that we can do math with. And then these are the same numeric indicators. I'll show you. It's decimal and binary. I had to convert the data representation of the binary to represent a byte instead of the double precision. Then you can go into the properties and change it to binary instead of decimal. And I think that's everything you need to go play, figure this out. I see that this is wrong, so try not to give me too hard of a time for it. 0 plus 0 does not equal 1. But 1 plus 1 does equal 0 with a carry of 1. So that's one hint. I'll see you in the next video. Program and play. So you can also see the reset button too if I push it.